How y'all doing today? I'm doing well. Hopefully this is the last time you have to see me looking as crazy as I do. Friends, we are going to be toning my hair today. This is a toner I have used, but I haven't used on the channel somehow. This is like one of the most popular ones there is. We're using Wella T18 today. I've lightened my roots with the Joico Silverlight. That video should be up on the channel. I've got the Wella T18 toner, and it says to apply to towel dried hair and process for up to 30 minutes. And we're doing a 1:2 ratio. I've got my little bowl here, my brush, and I'm gonna start mixing this up. I'm gonna dump the whole thing in here. Since I don't have anything to measure with, I'm just gonna use the bottle, and I'm gonna fill it up twice. I filled up the cap or the bottle twice. Let me just mix this up. This is just gonna be the Wella T18. I'm not using the 050 additive in this specific time. One, because I don't have it, and two, I'm just kind of doing a video on just the toner alone, but I have used it in the past. I'm doing a very quick voiceover. I have cut a lot of this out, or cut it down and like sped it up really fast. I just wanted to say I definitely did not have my hair lightened enough for the T18. Like, as you'll be able to see later on, I really thought at the time that it was, though. I mean, it looked light to me, but it needed lightened like one more level. But I just wanted to give that little PSA. You're gonna want a nice clean level 10, like the inside of a banana color for this toner. And the last time I used it, that's what I had, but this time, it was not. And I was really impatient with these pieces of pink on the ends. I should have tried to get... I mean, I ran some Danger Jones color remover down through them, but I probably should have tried harder to get them out. They have since faded out, like, since this video. I'm actually more excited to post the next video, and I think you guys are gonna love that one, but... You know, sometimes we just have fails, and that's okay. But I just want to give a little PSA to make sure you have your hair light enough.
It's a baby spider in the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried out the thunder. It's a baby spider running up the water spout.
Alright, I just got it applied, and it says to wait for up to 30 minutes, and I think to check it every 5, but it's already like kind of like super dark purple. I don't mind waiting the whole 30 minutes because then hopefully that'll help tone out some of that pink and blue and green that I had in there, so yeah. Alright, it has been on for about 12 minutes. I don't know what the point of doing a check-in is because I feel like it looks about the same. It just looks dark purple. I don't think I'm really gonna know anything until I go to rinse it. I'm just having faith. I have used this toner before, but it's been a couple years.
Another feel.
That's 30 minutes. It is time to rinse. Alright, this is the point of the video where I normally have my hair done, styled, and my makeup on, but I think I'm gonna have to tone it again with a different toner. I don't think it's terrible. I do have to go to work tomorrow. I really like the color the ends turned. I think they're really pretty. My whole head was that color. I think this would have worked out. And you know, I really thought I got this light enough. Like, I thought it was light enough for T18, but maybe I was wrong. I don't know. I tried, guys. I know you need it to be like a pale yellow, and I thought that's where I was. Sometimes I feel like my lighting down here isn't great. And then there's a like pink band all through right here. So basically, I'm gonna have to tone it again. I didn't want to because I've been working on my hair all day, and I knew it was gonna be a big change because I went from a dark purple with like this much regrowth to an attempt at silver. We were going to pick my husband's truck up because he had his oil change today. Well, I was like, oh yeah, when I get home I'm gonna do dinner, and I was talking about the stuff I was gonna do, and he was like, you're gonna finish your hair, right? And I was like, but it is finished. And he was like, so that was the reaction I got. I found this Danger Jones toner. It is a gloss toner with bonder, 912, and I do believe I'm going to use that. I don't think I'm going to do its own separate video. So we're using Danger Jones 912. Alright friends, this is going to sit for 3 to 10 minutes, and I'm a little bit scared that I've messed it up, but it's okay. We're gonna see what happens. My anxiety's through the roof. My new name for my channel is going to be like throwing random shit in my hair until it looks halfway decent. like leaving videos off the way I did this one, but full disclosure, this is not the toner. I ended up toning it with this Danger Jones gloss. So that didn't really work out. I've had a lot of brain fog lately and my hair is like super porous, and I completely forgot. I have this porosity spray I like to use before I tone, and I completely forgot to use that. I mean, it wouldn't have made a huge difference. It needs lightened again, but it's like so damaged right now. I'm just not trying to put my hair through that. This isn't the toner, but here's what it is. I've been using a combination of this Milkshake Icy Blonde Purple Shampoo, and mainly the real hero of this is this Cara Color Silver Depositing Conditioner. It's only been like 2 weeks since I did my hair. I mean, you can see I've got some regrowth coming back in. But it hasn't been very long, and this bottle is almost empty. Like, this has been the only thing keeping my hair kind of decent. I don't think it looks terrible. It looks better than it did when I first did it, but it doesn't help that I had a lot of like weird pink tones through it, and they're starting to fade out. The top, I'm gonna lighten it again. I've got a 3-day weekend coming up pretty soon, so I'm probably gonna do it then. I still wanted to post this video because sometimes it just doesn't work out, but that's okay. I fully think if I lighten my roots when they're not like super crazy grown out, that would be great, so that they don't get too yellow. And also, if I use it again, I really do want to use that 050 additive, the violet additive, because I think that would be super amazing to use. But yeah, and plus I've got a band. I don't know if you can see it, like right here, great, and then there's like a yellow band like right here, and then it's silver, and then it's like pink. There's like a lot of banding in my hair that needs fixed. Like, it's okay. I have used this toner before. I don't know if I've mentioned that yet. I'll put a picture on the screen of the last time I used it a couple years ago, and I had like really good results with it. So I don't know, this time like it's not staying, like it didn't stay, and then the Danger Jones didn't stay. My hair is crap. We also have moved to a different house, so we have different water, but I don't know, friends, I don't know. I just wanted to say I'll probably try it again in the future with the 050 additive, because I think that would work out pretty good. But I just don't want to end this video on like a bad note. This purple shampoo, I don't know how I feel about it for sure. I was gonna do a separate video on the Danger Jones one, but I'm not doing that because it didn't work out. So thank you so much for watching. Sorry that this color didn't work out, but I'll lighten it again soon, and I've got some more silvery colors that I've ordered in, so we're gonna give those a try. And I had ordered some extensions to put in, and I was going to put them in, but I think I'm gonna wait and color them with the new silver color that I have. So yeah, that's something to look forward to on the channel very soon. I hope you all are having a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.